A common mistake that a lot of wet-on-wet oil painters make when they first start trying out to do the Bob Ross painting method is not understanding how much liquid white to apply to their canvas. And you may end up with not enough liquid white and your canvas is dry and you don't get the blending capabilities that you see on television or on some of the other painters doing, or you get too much and your painting starts to run down the canvas and it will actually start to break apart. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to know how to apply the exact right amount of liquid white to your canvas so you get a perfect application every time. Let's get into it. The first step that I want to encourage you to do is to take your liquid white out of the container that it comes in originally and instead put it in one of these condiment bottles that you can just buy on Amazon. They come from Amazon shop and they're a 6-pack or an 8-pack is just a few dollars, probably under $20 for a 6 or 8-pack. And then I just added my own label here, liquid white. So these are both liquid white. I've just placed mine in a different container. The canvas that I'm using is an actual Bob Ross canvas from the Bob Ross company. And one of the reasons why I like the Bob Ross canvases is because they have this slight gray tint to them. For comparison purposes, this is a white canvas that's just from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, just one of the cheap white canvases. And you can see the color difference here when I hold them up next to each other. So to find your perfect application, you've got your liquid white inside your condiment bottle and you want to shake it up really well and make sure that it's thoroughly mixed because there is some settling that can occur in shipping and storage. Next, you're going to take the top of the bottle off and I'm just going to squeeze the liquid white onto the canvas and I'm just using an up and down motion to see that I can get it kind of evenly distributed. Next, I'm going to take a clean, dry 2-inch brush. This is also a Bob Ross 2-inch landscape brush. And I'm just going to start to blend in the liquid white. And because of this gray canvas, you can see that I can actually see where the liquid white is applying and where it's not. So I'm going to do this first round. I can already tell that I don't have enough liquid white on the canvas because it's actually looking a little dry and patchy in areas. So I'm going to grab another round. As I'm applying the liquid white, what I'm doing is making sure that I'm really brushing and scrubbing it into the canvas. Now that I've got the liquid white applied, what I want to do next is do the fingerprint test. I'm going to take my 5 fingertips, and so are you, and you're going to gently place them on the canvas in different areas. So what I'm looking for in those different areas is I want to be able to see the liquid white shining through on my fingertips, but I also want to gauge and make sure that I have enough liquid white applied. I can already tell from looking at my fingertips that where I placed my pinky doesn't have enough liquid white. See here, it's a little bit light, but the other fingertips are looking pretty good. So I'm just going to go back, grab my bottle, and apply some more liquid white to this area, which is where I placed my pinky. Okay, let's do another fingerprint test. Perfect. That's how you'll know how to apply your liquid white in the right amounts every time and get perfect application. I hope this video has helped. If it has, give it a thumbs up and ensure you're subscribed.